हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्मार्ट क्लास बाय नेहा यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे हाउ डू आई लव दी सोनेट नंबर 43, जिसे एलिजाबेथ बैरेट ब्राउनिंग ने लिखा है। पहले ऑथर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और फिर इसकी समरी के बारे में देखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एलिजाबेथ बैरेट ब्राउनिंग। Elizabeth Barrett Browning was an English poet of the Victoria era, popular in Britain and the United States during her lifetime and frequently anthologized after her death। मेरी साथ साथ रिट लगाइएगा ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए और आप भी पढ़ने सीख जाए। She was born on 6 March 1806, Coxhoe, United Kingdom, and died on 29 June 1861, age of 55 years, Florence, Italy. She was a famous Victorian poet known especially for her sonnets and for writing about social issues। यानी कि वो जो सोनेट लिखती हैं और जो सोशल इशू पे वो राइटिंग करती हैं उसके कारण वो जानी जाती हैं। How Do I Love Thee, sonnet number 43, is probably Barrett Browning's most famous poem today। आज का इनका फेमस पोएम क्या है? तो How Do I Love Thee, ये इनका अभी तक का सबसे फेमस पोएम है। She was an excellent student. She even taught herself Latin and Greek। ये लैटिन और ग्रीक दोनों में पढ़ी लिखी हैं और ये जानती भी हैं। She wrote her first long poem at the age of 11। ये 11 साल की उम्र में ही एक लंबा सा पोएम उन्होंने लिखा था। फर्स्ट पोएम था वो उनका। The oldest of 12 children, 12 यानी कि 12 बच्चों में ये सबसे ही ओल्डेस्ट थी, बड़ी थी। Elizabeth was the first in her family born in England in over 200 years। Elizabeth Barrett Browning, in her love sonnet How Do I Love Thee, beautifully expresses her love for her husband, listing the different ways in which Elizabeth loves her beloved. She also insists that if God permits her, she will continue loving the love of her life even after her death। In How Do I Love Thee, the tone is अर्निस्ट एंड वर्शिपफुल। इस सोनेट का जो टोन है वो अर्निस्ट और वर्शिपफुल है। टोन रेफर्स टू द स्पीकर्स एटीट्यूड टूवर्ड हर सब्जेक्ट। Elizabeth Barrett Browning is one of the most important female writers of the Victorian era. As a poet, she explored various societal issues such as slavery and the challenges of romantic love in her works. However, two of the most interesting themes in many of her poems are spirituality and feminism. In the closing lines, the speaker says she loves the listener with all of her life and will continue to love the listener beyond that। How Do I Love Thee, being an example of a Petrarchan sonnet, is structured in two parts. The first part, known as the octave, consists of 8 lines that rhyme A B B A A B B A। The second part, known as the sestet, consists of 6 lines that rhyme C D C D C D। यहाँ octave का मतलब 8 लाइन और sestet का मतलब 6 लाइन से है। The theme of Barrett Browning's poem is that true love is an all-consuming passion। The speaker of How Do I Love Thee, also known as Sonnet 43, is often identified with Elizabeth Barrett Browning, the author of the poem। Now we will see summary of the sonnet. Summary and theme of the sonnet: How Do I Love Thee? The whole sonnet addresses this lover, thee, who can also be considered the listener, because it is understood that Elizabeth Barrett Browning dedicated this poem to her husband. She is assumed to be the speaker addressing her husband. The speaker describes all the ways during which she loves her husband. Her love is multifaceted because it is often compared to several strong forces of her soul, so great to the extent that she attempts to live it in three-dimensional terms. Near the poem's conclusion, she it states that her every breath, smile, and tear may be a reflection of her love for her husband. यहाँ tear का मतलब आंसू से है. The speaker concludes the sonnet by telling her husband that if God will allow her, she is going to love him even more after she is gone. The sonnet's most prominent theme is love. The speaker's love is multifaceted and is compared to her various experiences from life. Her love is then compared to the standard efforts of mankind in wishing to try to good for the planet without a requirement to be praised. Love then takes on a fanatical tone another time because the speaker proceeds to match her feeling to the intensity that arises from spirituality and therefore the childlike innocence of believing in goodness. The sonnet as an entire describe how the love the speaker feels for her husband consumes her body and soul, and it releases the hope that she will still love him even more once she is gone. यहाँ soul का मतलब आत्मा. The speaker's identity seems to be defined by her love for her husband. Her love manifests itself physically, spiritually, and morally, essentially in every aspect of her being. The speaker's love is so intense that it's described as contained within her breath, smiles, and tears. Her love appears to physically sustain her in life. She further elaborates that she hopes God will allow her to like her husband with the afterlife, giving her affection a spiritual power. The speaker makes references to her spirituality and belief in God. The mention of God at the sonnet's conclusion illustrates that the speaker remains a spiritual person. She believes that God has the facility to make a decision whether or not she is going to be ready to love her husband from beyond the grave. तो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. इस पोएम के ऑथर और समरी से आपको ज़रूर हेल्प मिली होगी. वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पर. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.